Hi everyone, our project was on unstructured image-based rendering. So rendering can be accomplished in two ways, one of which is ray tracing. So let's say that you wanted to render an image of a car, then you could model the car and then do ray tracing in order to get the scene. An alternative way though is to have a basic model of the car and then take a bunch of pictures of the actual car from different angles and then put those pictures into an algorithm that determines how it should map textures onto the model in real time, and that ends up looking very realistic. So we'll try to implement this for faces, but we had some difficulty getting it done. So what we're showing you here is a demo of that someone else managed to do with a car, where basically they took pictures from 36 different angles, which is actually surprisingly few if you think about it, and managed to recover the entire scene through doing this algorithm. So what exactly is going on here? Basically, you have these 36 images, and there's two steps. One is you want to map what the image is seeing, so from a certain angle, onto the mesh. And the other is that you want to make sure that if something's blocked by something else, that you're not accidentally counting that. So you don't want to map something like Harry Potter's scar onto the back of his head by accident. And so we accomplished that by basically going to all the cameras and then weighting them based on their relative importance in a particular view and blending the pixels using those weightings in order to obtain the textures that you see here. And it's actually a pretty neat technique, so it's pretty self-explanatory. And it's much faster than ray tracing, so definitely something to look forward to in the future.